This is the Synthetic Signal Report for Friday, May 15th, 2026, in the morning. Today, we analyze the fingerprinting risks of Mullvad exit nodes, the UK government's shift away from Palantir, and the emergence of Mythos by Anthropic. We also discuss a major supply chain attack on DAEMON Tools Lite, the retirement of bug bounty programs, and a critical breakthrough in lithium-ion sourcing. New research highlights a significant privacy concern for users of Mullvad VPN. The analysis reveals that the exit IP addresses used by Mullvad are increasingly recognizable as VPN-associated, acting as a consistent fingerprinting vector. When combined with browser-level data, this allows third-party trackers to correlate a user's traffic across different sessions, even when they believe their identity is masked. The technical community is noting that this undermines the anonymity promised by standardized exit IP pools. This is not a failure of encryption, but a failure of network diversity. As exit nodes become tagged, they lose their utility for bypassing geofencing or avoiding persistent tracking. The United Kingdom government has officially replaced Palantir's data management software with an internally developed system to manage its refugee and asylum seeker records. This move ends a multi-year dependency on the American firm, citing the need for greater transparency and data sovereignty. The new system is built using open-source components, which the government claims provides better auditability of automated decision-making processes. This is a rare instance of a national body successfully migrating away from a proprietary surveillance and data integration giant to an in-house build-it-yourself utility. We're tracking the fallout from Anthropic's decision to restrict the public release of its latest advanced AI model, internally named Mythos. Anthropic claims the model is too dangerous for public release, citing its high performance in autonomous vulnerability discovery and exploit generation. This move is sparking intense debate regarding whether the restriction is truly based on safety risks or, as some speculate, prohibitive operational costs and infrastructure demands. If Mythos can indeed find and weaponize 0 days at scale, it represents a new class of cyber risk that traditional, non-agentic models cannot replicate. A critical supply chain attack has compromised official installation packages of DAEMON Tools Lite for Windows. The affected versions, 12.5.0.2421 through 2434, were distributed via the official website between April 8th and May 5th, 2026. Users who downloaded these specific installers may have inadvertently introduced a backdoor into their systems. Security analysts confirm this is a classic poisoned source attack, where the legitimate distribution channel itself serves the malicious payload. If you have installed DAEMON Tools Lite in the last month, you must perform a full system audit. Community sentiment today is dominated by the tension between automation and liability. First, the recent blog post from Terso, titled "The Wonders of AI, We Are Retiring Our Bug Bounty Program," is causing a stir. It suggests that AI-driven vulnerability discovery is making traditional manual bug bounty models obsolete as machine speed discovery outpaces human triage. Second, in the security sector, critical warnings are circulating regarding the Form Notify plugin for WordPress, which has an authentication bypass vulnerability, and the front-end admin plugin, which allows privilege escalation. Third, the community is highlighting a signal from the future regarding lithium sourcing. A vast, untapped deposit of lithium found in the United States could theoretically sustain mineral independence for 300 years. This is being discussed as a crucial strategic asset in the ongoing hardware-centric compute war. Finally, emerging tools in the GitHub ecosystem are focused on the Which LLM benchmark project, which ranks local large language models based on hardware performance. This reflects a wider push toward local, efficient, and private AI infrastructure. The general consensus is that the traditional vulnerability management lifecycle, based on reactive patches and human-scale triage, is becoming operationally irrelevant. As AI begins to find and exploit weaknesses at machine speed, our defenses must either become equally automated or fundamentally more resilient by design.